Welcome to information about Android. Today I'm going to take you a tutorial on how to use Android phone and run a Windows system, Windows 8 on your PC. This is how it started. The first step, though there are two steps, you can run the software when the system is on, but I will advise you use your system. You run it when the system is off, so you have the full screen function. I'm not gonna show you. You have the full screen function. Now, after putting your system, you have to choose. You have to set up your program into the booting device option. Then, as I can see on my booting device manager, I have three booting options. The first one is the network notebook hard drive. I have the internal CD drive, which everybody has in their own system. But today, I told you that I'm not going to use CD drive. I want to use an Android device, which is, you can see the name there, the first option on the screen, TS8XDVDS Transcan. So I'm taking that on that. That's the app we are using, the Android device, to run the operating system. So now press my enter button. Here we go. Remember, when running, they will ask you to press any key, but the letter they are used to use L. L stands for load. So you're using L, your L. Not on top. No, press that. But I don't press the L now. So change. No, continue. Now you allow the Windows file to load. It will take you from few seconds. Then now you can see the Windows logo. This icon now shows that I'm running Windows 8. So just stay for a while. It's loading. Then after loading, it will bring up another dialog box for you to select an option. So just exercise patience for a few minutes. Because I'm in the loop. Still loading. Window files. Do not cancel or turn on your system. If not, you're going to start afresh. So you can see it started loading now. The window file is loading. System is still on. Here we go. Now the Windows setup dialog box is up. You can see the English, the language to install. I keep that US, English US, United Kingdom. Time frame. Now this time and currency format, you are advised to choose based on your location. Assuming you're in Africa, you are advised to choose West Central Africa, so that the time there can correspond with all the African countries. But now I'm in India, I'm not going to choose African time, but let's just see anyone. Let's just keep it in the English United States, and we proceed. Now click on your next to take you to the next step. Now you can see in the screen Windows 8. As I told you earlier, that we're using Android device to run Windows 8 on the PC. So what next you are going to do now is to click on the install now. You now take us to the next step. Now I've clicked on install. That showed you that the system setup is starting. As you are started now, do not turn off the system. Ensure your PC is still on and running. Ensure you have enough battery in your system, because any error now the system went off, it may affect your hard drive, which may crash your system. Now you can see on the screen I have many Windows options to choose. Operating system, I have Windows 8, I have Windows 8N, I have Windows 8 Pro. In this aspect, I will advise you to go to use Windows. You can use Windows 8 Pro or Windows 8N. But there are two things I want you to know. In that architectural row, you can see that we have 64, 86 bits. Also have 64 bits. In this 86 bits, there is difference. That 86 bit they are saying there is not really 86, it's 32 bits. So I advise you to scroll down and change it to 64 bits. Then you click on next. The difference between 64 bit and 32 bit, there's not much difference. It's just that the software, there are different software that run on 64 will not run on 32. Though in olden day system like Windows HP that carry Windows 7, I would advise you to use 32 bits because it accepts all the olden day software. There you accept, and ensure you accept the license terms, even though you read it or you don't read it, but ensure you accept it. You don't have no option than to accept it. Then click next. Then we have two options here. We have upgrade and we have custom. The upgrade means to run the software, the operating system, without deleting any files. If you click on the upgrade, it will run the software, the operating system, and none of your previous files will be deleted. Then custom means install Windows only, and when you use custom, you're going to erase the entire hard drive and all your files will get lost. You're going to start afresh as you buying a new PC. So in this aspect, me, I'm running upgraded system. So in this aspect, let's use a custom so you can install a fresh operating system on the PC. You now go to custom. Here you have your system was being partitioned. I have reserve 1, system reserve, also have partition 2. Now in this aspect, if your hard disk drive is not that big enough, you are advised to delete all the partition and make it 1. To delete, you have to click on it, go to your advanced option, you have delete. Remember, you have to click on your advanced to get the more options. Click on advanced, then now delete any partition you want to delete. This is the real system drive. I'm deleting the reserve. I've deleted it. You click on OK. That's gone. Then I'll click here as well. Delete the partition too. Now you have only one unallocated space, which in this aspect you have only one hard disk drive space. Your hard disk drive have been given to you fully now. All the previous files have been deleted. Then what you do next is to click on refresh. That's to refresh your PC. Wait while it's loading. Now you click on next. After clicking next, you take the new dialog box. Now it's showing installing window. This is where the real installation begins. Now the first stage is copying Windows files. That one doesn't take time, but getting files ready for installation will take a little time, which may take up to 2 to 3 minutes, approximately maximum of 10 minutes. But the first number 0 always take time to load. Once you have one, know that the system is fast and is going to run in less than few minutes. Now you have gotten one. For you to wait for it to count till 100. Just exercise patience while it's counting. We have one already, which means there is hope that in the next 5 minutes you should out of this stage. Still counting. We have 2. Still counting. Do not turn on your system. Ensure you wait till it completes. We have 3. Still going. Don't press any key. Allow it to count. 4. Still going. As you can see, it's now faster than the beginning. From 1 to 30 normally delays, but from 50 down it will be faster, counting seconds. It's only 0 and 1 that take up to maximum of 1 minute, depending on your PC speed level. We have 6 already, less than few seconds. We have 7. Still going. We have 8. We have 9. We have 10. 11. As you can see, it's going faster now. 12. That's how the process is. 18. 14. 14. We have 15 in less than a few minutes. 16. 17 is here. You can see it clearly as it's loading. We have 18. And 19 is here. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 89. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 45 is still there. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Now you have the 50% already. The remaining 50% will not take longer. 51. 52, 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. About 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. See, it's faster now. 67, 68, 69, 70 approaching, 70, 71, and it's taking a little bit longer. This is the only stage that takes time. 73, 74, after you get to run. 75, 76, 77, 78, you're almost there. 79, 80, you can see you're almost there. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. We're wrapping up. $95, 96, 97, 98, 'You're almost there. 2 to go. 99. You have 100%. Our file are now ready for installation. Installing features, almost done. About installing updates now. Installing updates. After that, getting finished, then we know our operating system is now ready for use. Just a few setup to be made. We are good to go. Windows needed to restart. At this stage, I'm advised to press any button. Just sit down and look at the screen. Allow it to restart on its own. System goes off and come up on its own. You will be asked to press any button. Do not press any key. Wait, is loading. Now you have a Microsoft Windows 8 running on your PC. The next stage is to finalize your setup and get your Windows ready. It's updating the features, so advised to wait while it updates. Remember, do not press any button for now while it's loading. Still loading. Getting device ready. So I told you earlier, you should wait. You are almost there. Few percent to go. System take it to the next level. Do not press any button. System is still loading. Getting ready. Few seconds. Getting ready. Still loading Windows files. You are done with that. Do not press any button, it's still loading. Do not press anything. Keep watching. The window is loading now. I got something. Now let's go. So you can see this personalized. Now if I want to set your personal details, they're going to ask you to pick the color of your PC. Pick a color you like and give your PC a name. So in Windows 8, as you always see the logo is always on blue, but you can change it to any color of your choice. You can see the changes. Any color you want the PC to look like. What is on? You are going to choose. So let's use the default color, which is blue. And now say my PC name should be what? Let's just say user. I'll call it user. I'll click on next. The user PC. Let's stop there because I don't accept space button there. Click on next. And it goes. Now we have two options here. Settings. I would advise you to accept the express setting. When you use the express setting, to allow the system to set system on its own and will give you the default functions which will help you to help your system work better. If you customize, you have many questions to answer, so just use your express setting in terms of for time. You now accept. They say username. I say go back to my username, which I said user. So in this other box, you can add space bar, you can add more than one name. Now take user PC. You can choose a password of your choice. Remember, I'm not using any password here. Confirm your password limits. No, I'm not using any password. So now click on finish. That click on finish, take me to the next stage. Now it's finalizing my settings. You have to be patient a bit. system is loaded. Do not turn off the system. Now they are welcoming you, telling you hi, while we are getting things ready for you. So just be patient. Take a look at a new way to use the Windows. Here we go. Now you're asked to click anywhere. PC is ready. Now you have to take your mouse and click move your mouse any angle, which I'm doing that. Let's see this mouse. I'm still moving the mouse. We are getting your PC ready. That's the next option. The next information there on the screen. Hope you are filling up. Time 1 hour 30 minutes.
Once we reach 1 hour, postpone to the kitchen. Then in our mouth, compliment the laptop so once in 1 hour, in the kitchen.
You never reach 1 hour again. You never reach 1 hour.
Then delay.
Installing apps. This is where you're going to give your Skype.
But to me, if you really want to stop it by giving it so that you can double it, that's how I'm going to put it.
Still not finished. I don't finish.
Then it's another pictures for 3 minutes.
Now, as you can see, your window is ready. You have your mail app, you have your calendar. That I told you to use Express setting. Nice way I've enabled you to have this app, which you did not install on your own. You have your mail, you have people, you have photo, calendar. So for you to go to your desktop, you have your desktop icon here. You have the boxes. You can see the last one, the bottom left is the desktop. When you click there, now take the desktop, Windows desktop. Now after getting your PC ready, you now find out that your PC is not being activated. Let's confirm that. You go to my computer. When you click there, you go to computer and you right click on your computer, and then you go to property. When you click on your property, you now show your system configuration. Here you have Windows 8 edition, show you 2012 Microsoft Corporation, all right reserved, Windows 8. You can see on the screen. Now I'll show you my system configuration, which I have my rating. System rating is not available. My processor is AMD V120 processor, 2.2 graphics speed. I have my installed RAM is 3 gig, but I'm using 2.74. That's the usable. The operating system type, I told you earlier, should choose 64 bits. Now what I choose is what is showing appearing here. What is appearing there? Then my system does not have pen touch. That's my screen, not a touch screen. System user. Now as we're talking about Windows activation, you can see here my Windows is not activated. So how do you activate the window? It's very easier. But today lecture, I wanted to show you how to install, how to run operating system on the PC. Now I've showed you that. Follow me up on my next video and you will learn how to activate Windows with just using your Android device as well. You see how to do this. Very easy and simple. I will show you 3 different ways to activate Windows: using command prompt, using system disk, or using your website to activate it online. I'm going to show you the 3 on my next video. Make sure you follow me up in the next video next week. The video will be out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educating videos about Android. My name is Mose Anthony, your favorite. Thank you. Bye bye.